Hey everybody, welcome back. I have a box of Phoenix football. I'm a little late to the party because things have been absolutely insane here. I know I say that all the time, but I swear to God it's the truth, and it seems like it never ends. But on the bright side, it is absolutely my favorite time of the year. It is finally not 5,000 degrees here in the South. In fact, I think the high today was like in the 60s, and so it feels really, really good because I hate the heat. So it feels like fall. It feels like Halloween. I'm finally breaking out decorations, which I haven't had time to do. Normally I'm that person who puts stuff up way in advance. I mean, normally I have Halloween up, like right at the end of September. And then I'm not even going to admit when I put out Christmas, but things have been so crazy I haven't even had time to do that. But today I broke out some Halloween. I got some cards. I got a lot of work done, and it's a good day. So with all that said, let's check out Phoenix. I love Phoenix. Phoenix is one of my favorite products of the year. I love the shine, the glitter, the glow of the Phoenix cards. I love it. The boxes from 17 and 18 now cost a freaking small fortune. But this being new and with the 2019 class not yet being, crazy popular, I'm not going to say it's affordable. Hobby boxes cost a ton now. I mean, it is what it is. But anyways, 2 autos, 1 mem, 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, and we will look at the odds after I cut this plastic off. This is one of those sets where I just even love the look of the base cards. I mean, even the base cards are just sweet, shiny, they look good. Alright, let me see if I can line that up for you. There you go. What are we looking at? Lots of color, which we know. Lots of numbered stuff, which we know. Laundry tag, NFL shield, super prime blue. Inserts, of course. Jumbo mem cards. A lot of stuff. 200 card set, 100 base, and 100 rookies. Unwrap 12 numbered parallels on average. Sweet. I like numbered stuff. And find 1 rookie jersey material autograph on Optichrome. Okay, I will. Hang on, let me get in here. Everything's falling out. So I can just do it this way. That'll work. That's what the pack looks like. Oh, hang on. Got to bring you on down. Down. Let's do this. Let's see what the base card looks like for starters. Very similar to other years. A little bit different. They make small changes. Usually don't do a complete overhaul on what works. And Phoenix tends to work. So there's TJ Watt. This is like the hollow silver parallel version. Miles Jack. Not numbered. QB Vision, hollow silver, Jarrett Stidham, and the non, you can clearly see the difference there, of Cam Newton. Then a Darwin Thompson rookie card. A little bit thicker pack here, a little heavier. So we may have something. Yeah, we got something going on in here. Kuechly base, Corey Davis. A Amon Marshall, looks like pink or purple, numbered to 199. Then we have a Gary Jennings Jr. to 75. Dual relic auto, looks to be gold. Sticker auto. This is not, I don't know what this is. Just says player worn material. Maybe a glove. It feels... doesn't fit. Yeah, it feels like leather. So cool. Nice little hit there. What else? The last card was Deontay Johnson rookie. Alright, next up is Russell Wilson, Amari Cooper, a Tyree Jackson red rookie, numbered to 299. Catching Fire, Larry Fitz, and Jay Sternberger, rookie. Jamal Adams base. A Byron Murphy silver rookie. That's not bad. Cornerback. Dwayne Haskins QB Vision blue, numbered to 35. It's not a bad card. Looks good. Adrenaline Saquon insert, and can't read the name. Rashawn Gary rookie. Alright, we're still looking for an auto. I don't know if that counts as the mem card. I'm assuming that's the rookie auto combo. So we should still get one auto and one mem. Alright, Miles Jack. Patrick Peterson. There's a blue Leighton Vander Esch to 35. That is a sweet looking card since it's blue and he's on the Cowboys. All that blue looks good together. Solid. Here is a Hines Ward autograph. What? What are you talking about? That's a nice little vet hit to 149. That is nice. The older I get and the longer I collect, the more I appreciate vet hits. And I really appreciate this as my second auto. That is really cool. Then we have Kyler Murray. A little bit like some, I don't want to call them scratches, but if you, it looks like just some lines, like, I guess, production. I mean, they're not like scratches, but maybe they're all like that. Let me see. Oh, I can't use that one. Trying to get it just in the right, yeah. So I guess no biggie there then. That's good. You never know with Panini. You just never know. Antonio Brown, Josh Allen, filler card, Juan Thornhill rookie to 99, looks to be orange, Lamar Jackson QB Vision, and DK Metcalf rookie. Christian McCaffrey, what is this? Look at this parallel. Who is it for starters? LJ Collier. It's not numbered. Last year they had those, like, what was it called? Rainbow Hopper or something. That's kind of what it looks like. A Jarrett Stidham QB Vision purple to 149. Rookie Rising McCole Hardman Jr. and Dexter Lawrence rookie. So far, a very decent box. Still got a couple to go too. Couple of packs, not boxes. I wish I had some more boxes. Flacco, Chris Carson, Jalen Hurd rookie parallel to 75. Gold looks like. Drew Lock QB Vision and Draymond Jones rookie card. Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, a Chris Carson pink to 199. This is a Riley Ridley jersey. Nice. Big rookie jersey swatch to 100. Number to 100. My 3 hits, I don't hate them. So good. Greedy Williams. That's like me, greedy. Greedy, I want the best cards out of my boxes. Panini. You heard me. Alright. Kenny Golladay. Austin Bryant. Parallel of some sort. Not numbered. Maybe that's just a hollow and that's just how the background looks. Eric Berry. Comeback pink to 199. Adrenaline Rush, Mr. Barry Sanders, and Quadri Allison rookie card. Last two. Oh, and dropped the pack, of course. But luckily, these cards are solid, so you can drop a pack without too much worry. Garoppolo, Garen Conley, Melvin Ingram, parallel looks to be like a red to $2.99. Catching Fire, Randy Moss, and Zach Allen rookie. Last pack. Oh, there it is. Fireburst parallel. Ultra rare. Well, that was nice. I wonder how rare. We'll look at the odds in just a second and see. Tre'Davious White and Eddie Jackson. Ah, my man, Derrick Henry, purple to 149. Keenan Allen comeback and Bryce Love rookie. Alright, Ultra Burst Fire thingy. Actually, this just tells what's in here. It doesn't really tell the specific odds for each card, so I don't know. We'll have to find out just how rare is it. A case hit, or if anybody knows, please do me a huge favor by commenting below and letting me know. See if we can see it again really quick. So, there it is. I'm guessing that's what that is. I'm not 100% sure though, so if you know, please comment below and let me know. Then we'll both know, and things will be wonderful. That was fun. I haven't opened anything new in a good long minute, so that was much needed. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I love you guys, and I'll be back with you again soon. Bye.